She said, I don't know why we telling stories, we don't remember nothing.
We don't remember.
Laundry day was Monday. And she'd get everything ready, the washing machine and the radio. She took the washer on, she had the wringer tight and no dryer, you'd have to hang the clothes. And I'd help her hang the clothes, but certain clothes I wouldn't touch. I didn't have nothing to do with that, was her clothes. She said, you're not gonna help? Like I had to work like a slave because she cooked me some dinner. You know? But then she put the radio on when the radio, loud because the washing machine made a lot of noise. So as soon as the commercial was over, she'd run to the radio and put it back all the way up so she could hear. Or she'd unplug the washer. But I wasn't supposed to know that, I guess. You remember that?
Yeah.